Hi guys, it's Digitize Pro, back with the second HTML tutorial. And just before we get started, I want to say I'm sorry for not uploading any videos in the past month or so because I didn't get around to downloading the right screen recording software that I needed. But now that I've done that, everything's good and I'm ready to go. In this video, I'm going to be explaining the basic syntax of an HTML document. If you're new to HTML, then the word syntax might seem quite complicated or something, but really it's not. Syntax just means the layout of the HTML document. And for this video, you'll not need to copy any of the code I write because this is just showing you what you need to do every time you start a new HTML document. So, first of all, in any text editor of your choice, I'm using Notepad++ and I will be throughout the series of these videos, but if you don't have that, you can use Notepad and it won't make any difference. So, to start off with, you're going to declare the document as HTML. And to do that, you're going to open triangular brackets, or open left angle brackets, or whatever you want to call them. It's the smaller than, or less than sign. But I'm just going to be calling them triangular brackets, or left angle brackets and right angle brackets throughout these videos. And then you're going to write HTML, all in lowercase, and close angle brackets, or right angle bracket, or triangle brackets. And then you're going to go down a couple of lines and close off the document as HTML. To do that, it's exactly the same, except you just put a / in front of the HTML, and that tells the browser that that is ended everything. And so everything inside of this is in the language of HTML. And throughout HTML, you will notice these little angle brackets or triangle brackets, because those are used in tags, and tags are things that HTML uses to identify content. So the next tag you can do, if you just indent it by clicking tab, you don't have to, but always makes it look interesting and look much nicer. And then we're going to do the heads tag, which is exactly the same. Open triangle brackets, head, close triangle brackets. Then you enter and do exactly the same, but end that. The head basically holds things like the tab title, so when you open up the HTML document on Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, whatever browser you use, the title you see on the tab, that's what you'd put that inside of the head. You also can put styles inside of the head and references and things. So the next piece of the next tag we're going to be writing is the body tag. So that's exactly the same. Left angle bracket, body, right angle bracket, and close that with the /. If you're ever creating an HTML document and you notice an error or it doesn't execute the code properly, just go back and check that you have that little /, because without that, it doesn't tell the browser that that has ended. So that is basically the very simple HTML syntax. As long as you do that every time before a video, not a video, sorry, that's what I'm doing. Every time you do that before you create an HTML document, you just write out that, and inside here you put the things you need, and inside here you put the things you need. I forgot to say, body tag is the content, so like what you see, images on the page and everything you see on the page. So anyway, that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and thanks for leaving a like, and while you're down there you might as well hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video when we start adding text to the page.